Oh guys, so check this out. The Nissan Xtrail been making this funny noise for a while now, probably coming up to about a year. So when you unlock it, but then you go and lock it, it's making that noise. I think it's coming from the driver's side, but also from the passenger side slightly. The noise is most likely coming from the door lock actuator. It's probably gone bad or on its way out. Called the dealership, and as usual they've quoted something ridiculous, 300 and something pounds per side per lock. So I found a couple of second-hand locks on eBay, but before I placed the order I came across this video on YouTube. Somebody with a Nissan Note with a very similar noise to the one that mine is making, and what they did was they undid these 3 screws, and apparently there was a little pin, and I think I can even see it on this one, a little pin that's sticking out. And what they did was shove a screwdriver down there and pop that pin back in, and the noise was gone. So definitely I'm going to give that a go. I think I can see the pin, if you can have a look. Seems like it is sticking out. Apparently that's with vibrations comes out over time, and if you just pop that back in, and the noise was gone for them. So I'm going to give it a go. Let's see. Bismillah. So we've got a T30 Torx bit. We'll go ahead and loosen these off. And as you can see, it's already moving around. So what I'm going to do is probably leave that on for now. So I've got a couple of different flatheads that I'm going to try and shove down there, and let's see if you can see that pin clearly now. You should be able to see it right now. There, that little pin right there. I'm going to try to focus on it. Okay, the other one's come out, but no worries. That's gone in. I've just popped that straight back in. I can't even see it sticking out anymore. So that's just popped straight back in with a flathead. It wasn't really that tight. Once I've got it in the right angle, I'm gonna go and lock this back up. I'm gonna put the screws back in, and we're gonna give that a go. Oh guys, so the moment of truth, locks back on, pins pushed in. Absolutely no way. The noise is completely gone from this side. I heard it slightly from the other side. I'm gonna do that side now, but 100% works, guys. I can't believe it. So now try the passenger side. Exact same thing. Yep, as you can see, that little pin is sticking out right there. I'm gonna go ahead and push that in, same procedure. Oh guys, so we're here at the left side, and hopefully we should be able to get a better angle of that pin right there. As you can see, we've got the lock all the way back. So I'm going to try to push this in, hopefully on camera. There's quite a lot of movement in the lock once the screws are loosened off, but there you go guys, that pin's all the way in, and there you have it. That pin's all the way in right there. Oh guys, so the left side's done as well. Moment of truth. No way. Absolutely no buzzing noise whatsoever. 100% fixed. This has to be the best quick fix ever. Guys, if you like this video, if it helped you out, let me know. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what car you did it on and how it worked out. And until next time, peace.